Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Monday, November the 16th, and these are the charts of the day. Starting with Canadian Solar, which appears to be emerging from a multi-month basing or consolidation range within the confines of a very nice rising one-year-long channel that shows potential for something in the mid to high 30s at the very least, maybe higher. Notice the volume increasing the last couple sessions as the stock moves out above the declining tops line and meets the highs around the August level near the 1980-90 zone. A move through here could lead to a very strong surge, particularly if volume accompanies it. So I'd be keeping close tabs on CSIQ over the next several sessions. Genco Shipping, my favorite in the shipping group, with the Baltic Dry Index up 11 days in a row, is beginning to really surge here. As you can see, it's moved from about the 18.5 range to 27.5 or 9 points in the last 6 or 7 sessions, so perhaps a tad overbought, but tremendous momentum and volume, surging technicals, and should at least get up to the 29.90 area at the June highs, and a move above that could get you to secondary resistance up around 33.5, 34. IONG, a physical ION, was highlighted this weekend. Also, wanted to show you maybe setting up for a quick, sharp spike-up move out of this little bull flag, as today's action was just a narrow 14-cent range on low volume, yet technicals continue to hold or increase, and indicative of a stock that wants to move higher. Candy, KNDI, extended its recent rally, breaking out of this wedge here. Over the last 3 days, it's moved from about 3 to 460, a 50% move, and the volume was real strong. Today was a nice follow-through, but it didn't hold its highs. However, top of the channel that's I've drawn in here looks like this could be as high as $6.5 or $7 over the next few weeks potentially. Live person breaking out of a trading range, kind of a cup and handle here, flagging action, technicals and volume surging. This one looks like it has more to go. Top of the channel measures up around the $8 plus level. Certainly a short-term possibility. Nanometrics is flying on big volume here. Ran from about 7 to 12.5 just in the last 4 sessions. A heavy volume. May need to pull back and consolidate, but if momentum carries it further, top of the channel measures around 16, and this one looks like it has that kind of a momentum to get there. As does NLST, which has been on fire for 4 or 5 days now, moving from 65 cents to 6.87, more than tenfold just in the last 5 sessions. Heavy volume the last 2 days. 25.6 million today, the heaviest in its history. So we may be coming to a head here short term, which would require the stock to pull back and consolidate, or maybe form some kind of flag or a continuation pattern. In any case, tremendous acceleration in volume. I wanted to point that out to you. We may be getting a little long in the tooth on that one, but it's definitely a momentum stock for sure. QXM, after breaking out a week and a half ago, pulled back to test and consolidate, but today moved up across these mini tops here, and it could accelerate and test or take out 5.25, move up towards the $6 range, my next target. Revlon, one of my favorite trading vehicles of the last couple of weeks. Big high volume explosion, taking it from the 5.5 up to nearly 17 today at 16.99, just in the last 2.5 weeks. Tremendous move. Definitely overbought short term, but very, very strong momentum. Could take this higher, perhaps even to the high teens, low 20s. Rhino, heavy volume breakout of a mini head and shoulders consolidation here. Came across the neckline Friday with a breakaway gap. Today it followed through another 204 on 2.3 million shares. Top of the channel projects something around 34 and a half. Wouldn't surprise me if it got there in the next few days, but that's our target. Smart Modular came out of a 2-month declining channel, breakaway gap, pulled back and flagged. Today popped just 12 cents, but it looks like it maybe wanted to come out over the $5 range, and if it does that, a quick move to 560 to test the September highs may ensue, and the top of the channel measurement on this one, going back a year, will be something around the $8 level, a big percentage move for that one. SPRD, reaching 620 today, slightly took out the October highs, and is up in the after hours after a good report. So I'm expecting that one to move tomorrow and maybe get up towards the $7.5 range. TSTC, very impressive high volume move in the last three sessions. Has taken it out across this consolidation range, and top of the range channel measures up towards 2021. A long way from here, but expect to see something in the mid-teens at least going forward. Maybe high teens. USEG, with oil stocks firming and some of the juniors in particular, particularly Bakken region stocks, after this pullback on low volume and the rally attempt fell short on lower volume, the stock meandered and consolidated flag today, jumping 19 cents or 3%, but it seems to be wanting to take out this declining tops line and move up to test the October high around 730. Beyond that, looking at 8.25 or more. But the top of the channel, longer term measures up around 11.5, 12. So this could be a flyer once it gets going. Those are some real beauties and some very attractive short-term trading opportunities. And that's it for this evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Hello again, everybody. It's Harry.